No, this doesn't work. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together new palettes by Catrice Cosmetics. They have recently released these two palettes. We have a face palette and also an eye palette. As you can see, they have Mickey and Minnie. They are dancing, they are kissing. These are in the limited edition Mickey's 90th anniversary. When I saw them at the drugstore, I was super excited. They are so cute and I wanted to get them for my collection. You can also find the kabuki brush that I didn't get. It is €5.45. The face palette contains 4 face products. Inside we have a plastic layer that protects the powders. I have just destroyed my powder, but it's okay, I can fix it. We have a matte blush, a matte contouring shade, and 2 highlighters with a shimmer finish, I am guessing. So I am going to swatch everything. The face palette is €12.95 and we get 28 grams of product. The eye palette is €12.95 as well. We have 12 eyeshadows and we get 15.6 grams of product. We have 2 little mirrors on the doors of the palette. These are the 12 eyeshadows that we get. I would like to have something different just because I also got the Made for Stars palette and the Star Wars palette. If you don't have an everyday eyeshadow palette, maybe you will like this one. You can do a lot of different everyday makeup looks. Let me know in the comments if you were watching Mickey Mouse as a child, and also share this video with a friend that likes Catrice Cosmetics and maybe they will like this collection. It is so cute. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's start with the face palette. I will apply the contouring shade on my cheekbones with brush 109 by MAC. The powders are very soft, we have some kickback, and I will tap the excess off. Okay, I don't see something. I will continue blending. You need to build the intensity with only one layer. It's not very noticeable on my skin tone. This is how it looks on my skin with 3 layers of product. I don't think that this shade will work for someone with a darker skin tone because even for my skin tone, I need to build the intensity. With Cheek Brush by Essence, I will take the blush that we have. This one also has some kickback and I will tap the excess off. The blush gives a very nice light pink color to the cheeks. It looks very natural. With brush E40 by Sigma, I will take the light champagne highlighter that we have and I will apply it on my cheekbone. This is not visible on my skin. It doesn't blend very nice into my other face products. It intensifies the texture that I have, my fine lines. Also, if I swatch it, it doesn't have a lot of color payoff. I will take the light pink highlighter and I will apply it on the other side. This one is more noticeable on me. So the light pink, you can blend it and it looks smoother on the skin, but the light champagne is a mess. So I will apply a little bit of the pink highlighter on the other side as well. The light pink, you can blend it and make it work, but the light champagne, it doesn't look nice. And it intensifies even the pores of the hair of my skin. My contouring and blush, they don't blend very nice into each other, and I have some spots that I don't have blush or contouring and I can see my foundation. I think it doesn't look very smooth and it looks very patchy without any product on my brush. Even if I try to blend it, it doesn't look smooth. So let's start with the eyeshadows. I will take the light champagne eyeshadow that we have here and an eyeshadow brush by Essence, and I will apply it on my brow bone. This one has a very powdery finish. It looks a little bit chunky on the skin. As we can see, we don't have a lot of crease colors. These two here, they are very light and they have a satin finish. I'm going to use this light purple eyeshadow that we have, and I will apply it with an eye blender brush by Essence into my crease. This eyeshadow also has some kickback. I will apply a second layer and tap the excess off before you apply it on your skin. This eyeshadow blends very nice. You can also make it darker if you want. I have applied 2 or 3 layers of this eyeshadow. After that, I will take this brown eyeshadow that we have in the second row. It is a cool tone brown eyeshadow with brush 225 by Zoeva. This is how it looks with only one layer on top of the previous eyeshadow. It's not the dark brown eyeshadow that you see in the pan. With a clean eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take the darker brown eyeshadow that we have in the palette, this one here, and I will apply it in the outer third of my eyelid. Ooh, that's a nice eyeshadow. That blended super easy. I will take this light peach satin eyeshadow. I want to see how it looks on my eyes, and with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will apply it on my eyelid. So this eyeshadow is very similar to my own skin tone and it's not very visible. It doesn't have a very intense sheen, so if you want, you can use it as a matte eyeshadow because it's not shiny at all. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take this eyeshadow that we have. It is like a light golden eyeshadow and I will apply it on top of my eyelid. This one is not very noticeable, it's not very pigmented, it doesn't have a sheen. I will apply some setting spray to see if I can make it more visible. No. I will apply some with my finger as well. No. This doesn't work. With the same brush, I will take this light pink shimmer eyeshadow. It has also some very fine micro glitter and I will try to apply it first with the brush and we will see how we can make it work. This eyeshadow is very patchy. It doesn't have a lot of color. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take this gold orange eyeshadow and I will apply it on the lower lash line. This is with 2 layers. This is not how it looks in the pan. It's not pigmented. With the same brush, I will take the dark brown eyeshadow and I will apply it in the outer lower lash line. This eyeshadow blends so nice. I will take again this dusty rose purple eyeshadow, this one here, and I will blend the edges of my lower lash line. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I will take this eyeshadow here. It is a light cream satin shimmer eyeshadow. I will apply it in my inner corner. This one is not very highlighting. I will take again the first eyeshadow to see how it looks in the inner corner. I also want to try the black eyeshadow that we have. With a smudging brush, I will apply just a little bit in my outer corner. The black eyeshadow blends very nice on my eyes. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I will take the matte black eyeshadow and I will apply it very close to my lashes so we can see if it is intense or not. The black eyeshadow is very intense, I like it. Thumbs up. For mascara, I will use the Falsies mascara by Maybelline. About the face palette, my contouring looks very muddy. It's not flattering and it doesn't look nice on my skin. Maybe I have applied more product and it looks like this. But again, if you just use 1 or 2 layers, it's not visible. I want to give it one more try to see if it will work for me. For the eye palette, all the eyeshadows have kickback, so you need to tap the excess off. The matte eyeshadows blend very easy, they have nice color payoff and they look fantastic. The shimmer satin eyeshadows, they are not shiny, they are not very pigmented, they don't look very nice on my eyes. The only eyeshadows that I didn't use is this satin brown eyeshadow and this one one in the corner, the grey satin eyeshadow. The grey eyeshadow is not even noticeable on my skin tone. The brown eyeshadow looks like this. It is very soft and maybe it will look nice for a brown smoky eye look. Also, the first row has very similar eyeshadows. They don't swatch very nice and they are not shiny or satin. And they have some very nice shimmer eyeshadows in the palette made for stars. I have been using this one the last couple of days. So this is Celestial. Look how shiny this eyeshadow is. I am taking Heaven. Look at this. This looks fantastic. Superstition. Ooh, that's a gold eyeshadow. I don't understand why we don't have something like that in this palette, and this one is a limited edition. It is so pretty. We have Mickey Mouse. I will post the review for this one in a few days. You know from now that I like the shimmer eyeshadows. Spoilers! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want me to review any other palette, maybe an eyeshadow palette or a face palette. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!